Hi, I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at how to associate CAD with an Adams car model in Apex.
So we've got the ability to associate a CAD model with the underlying Adams car database. So just picking a parasolid for import, and we can see we've got this buggy geometry that's come in. So we've got chassis, wheel detail, suspension, so a more realistic representation than the underlying Adams idealization. So by associating the CAD across, it just aids us with the result exploration and the way in which we view the model. So we just simply associate the geometry. So we've got the Adams car model on the left hand side and the CAD geometry on the right. So through the manual mapping that we're doing at this stage, we simply pick the entity from the model and then the CAD, and as we do this association, the CAD disappears from view so we can see what's been associated. And then when we visualize, we've got the realistic or more realistic version of the vehicle dynamics. We can see the wheels rotating and the suspension following the profile of the track. So much more impressive means of looking at the overall vehicle geometry.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.